And this is a woman that has had a lot of talk around her. A lot of people wondering if the hype around her is warranted.
Yeah, and this is now her opportunity to justify all that hype. An opportunity to show why she's been creating such a buzz.
A win here could do just that.
And she has to face a woman who has been at the top of her game. It's going to be hard for anyone to take on a superstar with the kind of trajectory she's been on lately.
She had it scouted.
Slips out of the way there. What reflexes? What a shot.
Great counter. And another counter.
Forearm to the neck. Has them up. Nice waist lock. Takedown. Holding on. How about another? Establishing complete control. That is the kind of move that leaves our jaws on the floor. Unbelievable.
Looking for a little bit of high risk here, it seems. We're going to finish it off through the air. It connects.
That's gravity taking a break before coming down like thunder.
And she gets herself out of a precarious position. Ooh, what a forearm club. Avoiding contact. Swanton.
Things taking a turn for her now.
I don't know who's feeling this more, her or the crowd.
Here comes a throwback.
She returns the favor there.
I don't know what that was, but it looked like it hurt.
Ooh, saw it coming and hit him with a shot to the face.
Flipped over into an arm drag there. A tap down.
Ooh, DDT.
And this has got to be it. Oh, a kick out, a kick out, a kick out.
It doesn't get any closer than that without the bell ringing.
Oh, here it comes.
Man, into the neck breaker.
Huge turning point right here.
No, she kicks out, she kicks out.
What is it going to take to keep her down?
The answer might be more than her opponent can offer.
And now it's reload time. Time to find another moment to pull on back one more time.
Nasty headbutt, not done yet, followed by a side suplex.
This could be it. The end of heartache.
Oh yeah, she is really getting fired up.
Through the breadbasket. She covers for the pin. No, 2 count. What does she have to do to put her away?
I'm asking myself the same question. I have no idea.
She will wisely return to the ring now.
Ooh. She's showing signs of slowing now.
There's been plenty of action in this match, and the cost of that is really showing now. Oh.
Mounting. And hammering away. Ooh. Oh, kick connects. Oh.
Stiff kick. She avoids the attack completely.
And now there's an opening. Springboard clothesline. Punch lands. So what?
All she has to do is capitalize.
Makes a cover. And they're still in this.
Oh, that was more than close. That was inches away from 3
millimeters.
That was a great opportunity to put this one away, but it slipped right through her fingers. Shoulders down. She still fights out in one.
She is still in this fight. Has the wrist trapped.
How humiliating. Just kicks to the face. Reversal. Can she capitalize? She bails in a hurry.
Oh, good night. Suplex. Lights out. Knee to the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go.
X-Factor. That might just do it.
Up and leave the night light on for her, because this is over.
She's not done yet, but you have to believe that she's still in all sorts of trouble here.
You got to give a lot of credit here, withstanding what has taken out many other competitors.
This is truly awesome.
And she slides her back to the mat. And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle.
Up high.
She's going for it. Cover. And referee cuts off the count in one.
The muscle memory's got to be taken over now. Pure instinct to kick out before 3. Down. Both wrists captured.
That was nasty. And back elbow creates separation.
The elbow finds the mark. Escape just in time.
Uh-oh. Turning the tables.
Stellar kicks to the body.
Whoa, and a roundhouse hoping to end it here.
This is it. She kicks out with force.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again.
Catches the leg. Ooh, she responds with a counter. And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside. Had that well scouted. Impressive reversal there.
These two trading counters, an absolute masterclass. These superstars are toiling away endlessly, and this crowd is on their feet in full appreciation.
An incredible sight to see.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat. Forearm after forearm, vicious attack.
Clothesline stops that move in its tracks.
Able to get the advantage here.
Knee to the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go.
That's lights out.
You can count to 100.
For some reason, she lets it go.
She might have something else planned here.
Made her pay for her mistake.
Sequence of reversals there.
Lethal kick. It's been a struggle for these competitors to find an end to this match.
But the struggle's worth it. With every move you make, you can hear this capacity crowd following you on that journey.
Springboard. Oh, costly error there. Oh, ouch. Down low with the drop kick. Ooh. Black Mass.
Good night.
Reversal. Can they go to the attack? And the piston-like right hands.
Brutality.
Shoulders down. Could she finally put this away?
No, didn't get it.
Everyone thought that was 3.